Well, I told you I'd get you guys an update on this. Unfortunately, it's just too far gone. I'm about to take the engine off of it, but for whatever reason, this pulley is completely seized. So it's, well, that's only part of the problem. Tried to take the nut off that's holding that on. That was all rusted to hell. So of course this happened. And after I popped the bottom covers off, the entire underside of this thing is corroded and rusted. Hopefully these bolts that secure the engine to the body aren't going to break off, because that's just going to create more problems. So I'm just going to take the motor off and be done with it. But I told you I'd give you guys an update on it, so here you go. Yeah, this thing is just, it's stuck. I don't know exactly why. I don't know if there's just a bunch of debris that got into it, or it's just been sitting for so long and it rusted up inside. But I tried really yanking on that, and I just could not get it to turn. And then just seeing the kind of shape that all the hardware is in, I think I'd just be trying to chase my tail trying to fix this. Oh well. So now just to pull the engine off. I really hope this does not give us any issues. Looks like we got a praying mantis egg carcass there. That's promising. Of course, all I have to do now is just, well, might as well keep this with the engine. So I'm going to remove this from up here. And then just leave that attached. There's that. Now we can get rid of this piece of junk. So here's the engine. It'll make a good donor engine for pressure washer, another one of those big weed trimmers, or something that doesn't require a flywheel brake, but runs perfectly fine. This is kind of unfortunate that the engine in this case outlasted the body. Normally it's the other way around. Oh well. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos on it. Stay tuned for more.